Mwanjumurira ndeni gochara Chinsa Isano Ibere chamba sekungu kwaria ni SMS itu ya mngana mayeri nkwa manyina ya twa usangiri kuria kete wekaboni nyina ni goriri kuria chuma ine kaji tariki 25 esato mutinyi watano mu mwaka ujirwe ne 22 no kuboli kwanne karansi ndingwerere ari twa usangiri kuria kete wekaboni nyina nabo kwenda utubwate sensemeri mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News weka sensemo ya YouTube nabo kotonyora Ndizi TV News okonywa chinga kina boto tweet @Ndizi TV News wekerengel chano tukarendi kirensa kireta kagwetera asinambira siskini yagora buyora sensemeri mu rwemanyererio nigakorwa Joshua Niriane Brighton Makoli. Ekero mosubati Martha Karua oyoro mokonyi bomo bwasi miura moja no fast ready go se Martha Ida Odinga pakagire go chase county ya Kisii tukwira misi ni gobona basubati bali bakoko bomo bwasi miura moja banyare bagweso kina kubariga ni babirabuna batabuna county ya Kisii ni gero bomo bwasi mio imebonyo ni go badure batabuna bonsi ni go bariga niri abo babere inde bayika ensemena kuba kwandira sibalire irabuna ni bachikwenda go sira ensemeri ya miura moja anenekero umurayi kema gyodi murera murudinga nyarithika ko bali baga asoko machora Martha Karua ko bomukonyoe
Odinga wensi mwairwe obuya igaiga Kisii county kenengeyo mangana no sitayara makongwara aboro ni nutoganyete mocha erinde morenga abangina ba Kisii county babaganyete igo asobwenye eigunka kero monta abangina babwo sibwensi pichi kula chino gotorabe kase kabwe kamo ekikere ase omongina Martha Karua karibu nyumbani
ireti mobeke kura iziko mubeke nyumba
eze ya Kenya ni gobono ya babatukira banase 20 go chazenze ya United Kingdom yani gagocha maga yogotaka gukinie birengo byo bakorera Chinsa chibire ka ukwana ekaranya rete kago cha kyumurubiri yo go sekera abwatugete banase ya bugocha Chinsa ya UK umwasiri wa mangana yo mangana afya osamangana yo bacheni mutaikawe ni gatete buna inerenchire yemo yo goikirani ali bali kanete gatije Chinsa chibire ni gatete na bona abakenya bakorwa kwenda gukora imirimo sensemeyo ni go serikali Ibere chikarandi obukoreri obuya
that our workforce, not just health workforce, but the Kenyans workforce as a whole can play a much bigger role in our diplomacy in terms of labor movement and employment elsewhere overseas. And therefore it is with enormous joy and personal satisfaction that I stand here today to flag off the first cohort of Kenyan nurses to the UK following the bilateral agreement between Kenya and the UK. I'm also glad we have come this far since the agreement between our two countries was signed by His Excellency President of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta, and the UK Prime Minister, Boris Johnson, in January in 2021. I think it has taken a little time to do so, but I think it is best to do it, take your time, but do it properly. And I think this is what has happened today. We don't want nurses hiding in the streets of London because you don't have one document or another. You are afraid that you'll get caught and be sent home. You guys are going there like expatriates. You are not just going there as guests. You are going there as expatriates.
Ekera serikali ya Kenya ndeta kubeka mirobiri go sira chisemya sense itu ya Kenya nikobono umugabana wa county ya West Pokot John Runyangabu anyarira kubure serikali kwenda kubika mirobiri yo asubiga buri abamenyi bensemeyo ya West Pokot kwene kibuna ngosira bale abosinko chora barabara ibari barachi kwendera gusira chisemya sensemeyo ka ukwana itukurigore kerekeranita sumu chango weskuru ya masensemeyo ni Runyangabu atetabuna nero bya chisemi gosirwa sense itu ya Kenya.
Ni kitu ya maana sana. Walimu wenye wako hapa ni kama Mungu ya dunia hii group. So lazima muheshimu unafuata vile wanaambia nyinyi. So hapa tumeweka watu wetu wanaendelea vizuri. So nitaomba tu kabisa, irrespective of which political affiliation huko, wewe unapenda UDA mpaka ujui ni chama ya Yudea, shauri yako, bora upende elimu. Wewe unapenda kupu ya Lonyangapuo, bora upende elimu. Wewe unapenda chama gani? Bora upende. That is exactly what I insist. Lakini kwa sababu nimeona rao kuna wengine hawanielewi na wanaanza kutarau ile mambo tunasema. That's why nimesema toki kurelchete ngala hii sitoki kwa hii kiti. kwa mwaka mzima.
Abasae bali bakomoko boko yokuliekero kyoburayi bwenzi bweterase kyama gya UDA bagoro mokonyi bumurayi bwenzi Dr. William Ruto bago yora somo bwa Kenya Kwanza nigo batogire umurayi yoyane nekranda tegusira abasae asemiroberi aba ukwana buri twigoro ekero bariganiti umusangano yo masegeti kyanyayo nigo bona abasae banyari badeba omo bwa Kenya Kwanza nigo bwata marama ya kucyasa abasae bago nigo batebiruna nibago kumusira umurayi bw'kyama kya UDA William Ruto irikwana kibuna.
As the youth of this country, we take our whole life battling and battling, trying to be seen, to be heard, and to be taken seriously. Your Excellency, being young in Kenya is honestly really scary. So as Your Excellency, you being here today, taking part in this exercise, proves that Kenya Kwanza is a listening government. Any sane Kenyan voter will demand that you're sworn in immediately. As the youth of this country, we volunteer and commit ourselves to be vijana wa mkono for a revolutionized country and for a better Kenya under the leadership of Kenya Kwanza, if that is what it will take. They say the light is at the end of the tunnel, but you, Your Excellency, is the light for millions of Kenyans and those of them who are gathered here today.
Aba bwatani kurwa sense meri yabakora imirimo nigo bano bateruna yabaraje kwendera kubwaterana iri kwena kibuna kwena kibale ebintu biri bitatanene bitwetanene kwendera birasingira engiye bakwana asumo yego yomo gosumusangano mo yo kwenda tokorekana se county ya Mombasa ne wateruna bakira mu iri kwena kibuna bakora imirimo gosira bale imirimo ya serikali iri kwenderia gosigo kine birengo bya serikali ya sense yitu ya Kenya boyigo musangano no nyara ko ikiranwa no mugwasiri urepa Simon Cherugui.
National Employment Authority ni idara moja ya serikali ambayo inahusika na kazi hiyo na inaweza kuandikisha, kuwafundisha na kuwapangia njia mwafaka ya kuweza kutoka hapa mpaka wafike ukaibuni na pia kulinda haki zao wakiwa kule nje. Na haya yote tumeona kuna hapa katika maonyesho. Tuko na makampuni zingine, baadhi ya makampuni ambao wanahusika. Tuko na pia shirika ya kimataifa kama ILO ambao tumefanya mkataba na tunashirikiana pamoja tukitafuta mbinu na njia za kuweza kuwezesha wale watu wa Kenya wanaowatembea kule nje.
Ekero Ibere aligenda kubwata omubwasi miura moja na sensemeri ya usiringana lya Sony usekuri uliotakire kuiruke bendere yokuri biro abasinsemo aho ane asibali bakuri biro weterasi kya magodium ononi gori Ibere aligenda kwene kwa sinsemo aho kurwase county osase bunge ya Matare yokuri kiro ikweterasi kya magya chupiri Kevin Bahati oyiwe goro moteli ni gobana teruna eratari kuchigotugero nde bwensi kuri kiro ekyo asatabiri bali batagete koma mojigo sibali bakomotebi atigere oyo kurikiro igweterasi kya magodium nigatebiruna nigachukwenda kurikiro ikyo goika omweli niko bano amachiri abateneri be kya magodium asoko betereria bande gotiga aiganga yabo yokuribiro imeyense ya Kenya.
So today to my surprise nilikuwa naingia Ngei naona online and then some of you from the media were calling me on what's happening. Mnaniambia Honorable Sifuna na Shebesh wameamuka wakasema nime step down. First, I want to make it clear. I only receive information and directives from my party Jubilee. And before I sat on this seat, I have talked to Jubilee Party and it has made it clear that is propaganda.
Kubotekana nobosagane ubwa korekana se abisi yo mubungo nyali Mohamed Ali nigobono umubungo yanyali kaweso kina watabona bali bakorado bosagane obumbali bagenda kumwamirira siasa asibega bude serikali kobeke mirobeli yabene irekona kunubo obolendi ngotingubole anene asibali bakuriye birogo by'uburayi asense ito ya Kenya nigagoja mayaga yo bosagane gose korekana asinsemo aho asense ito ya Kenya.
Watu waliovamia ofisi wanaonekana walikuwa na nia tofauti na vile ambavyo tulikuwa tumefikiria hapo awali. Haya yanajiri siku moja tu baada ya mkutano wa Tumenoka, mahala ambapo tuliweza kutangaza waziwazi na kutoa ushahidi kwa vile ambavyo bandari ya Mombasa Pwani iliweza kuchukuliwa na wale jamaa, na baada ya hiyo tuliwaambia kwamba tuko na ushahidi wa kutosha ambaye tutaanza kuachilia hivi karibuni moja baada ya nyingine.
Lile shambulizi liko na misingi ya kuleta hofu na kututisha na kutufanya sisi tusite katika yale ule ukakamavu wetu ama ule msukumo wetu wa kutaka watu wa Mombasa na wa Pwani kwa ujumla.
Hayuna aralenge Chinsa Isano Ibere korende chikoraga Chinsa komichabono marakoba ninjo kwari ndia mange unatondeka kusangira rimena isko ya usino kubori kwa nagendera kubati mirobeli ya Ndizi TV nero bonsumusi na wakwenda sensemiri mitandao Ndizi TV Facebook kwa sensema ya YouTube na bato nyora Ndizi TV News yoko nyachingaki na bato tweet @Ndizi TV News pone karengel kia no tukere kirenza kireka weterase na bira seskinia ni ngo sabinya ko twara lancha ingia me Ndizi TV nero bonsumusi wewe nga sensemiri ndi umuntu wimanyerero ni gakoro kwa Joshua uta Niliane Brighton Makoli twaro buri rubya me Ndizi TV nero bonsumusi